What is going on, APUS history? So 3 weeks before the big day, we're going to start really ramping up here. So all this week what we're going to do, if you notice here, we're going to take mini practice tests for each time period, about 2 a day, and then Thursday you'll have 3. So what you would do for this one, very simple. You just click on the link. So this one says mini practice test 1 and mini practice test 2. So for the first one, just click on the link. It'll take you straight there. It says high school test prep at the top. You'll notice it'll say the time period you're working on, and then you would go down here and just start answering the questions. It tells you at the bottom how many questions there are per practice test for the unit, so do watch that. If you want to click list here, you can click list, and it tells you the shaded items are completed. If not, it means they're not done yet. If you want to return, go back that way. Excuse me. What your job then is to do after you do each practice test and you get a score, you need to come over here to the mini test data tracking analysis. Click on that, and it takes you to this document. You're going to input your scores, whatever they are, out of the question. So if you got 11 right, for example, you would write 11 in there, so forth. Does that make sense? I'm sure it does. Again, do not worry about the percentages. Percentages do not matter right now. That doesn't mean you're any less. It doesn't mean you're any better. Okay, so just put your stuff there so that way I can track it, and we can see it, and we can see what we have to work on when it comes time to study in open sessions and open reviews and what we do on Friday in that one. So good luck with that. If you need any help, please ask, but it's very simple. Click on the link. It is on the honor system, so there's no point, honestly, in inflating your grade even more. If you got a 4, don't put a 12. That's ridiculous. That would not help you. Like it says, just be honest. This is not a grade on percentage. This is just for us to see in terms of tracking. So pretty self-explanatory. Get going every day in class. These are a little lengthier as well as over here, so we do need to get in the habit of pushing through them rather quickly. Any questions, again, send me a DM, reach out. I'm here for you.